Okay, I'm going to show you how to take off and install a faceplate on a Gen 2 wall connector. It's pretty simple. There's a Torx screw down here, super simple to remove. There's 4 tabs up front, 2 up top. You're going to remove that Torx and then take a small flathead, start at the bottom, carefully pop the tabs out. Come on. And then installing it, same process. You can see the 4 tabs. Super simple. Installing it, you're gonna line up the bottom where the Torx goes. Start at the bottom, apply pressure. You'll either feel it or hear it. Pop into place. You can pull on it just a tad, just to make sure it's on there. And then reinstall the Torx, and that is it.